Hi everybody, in this video we attempt to answer a common question about direct proportion in maths. So let's use this example to illustrate. So in this example, we have a variable y that is directly proportional to the square of x. So when this value of x doubles, what is the percentage change in y? Okay, so first let's try to establish the relationship between y and x. So we can write y equals to a constant k times the square of x, or x squared. Okay, next let me try to define some variables to make answering this question a bit easier. So first we have x1, and this is like our original value of x. And y1, which is the original value of y. Then next we'll have x2, which is the new value of x. Okay. So this new value of x is the value of x when it doubles. So therefore this is actually about 200% of x1. Okay. Then next we have also y2, which is the new value of y, and this is the value of y that we are trying to find in this question. So next let's write down this expression y2 over y1 first. Okay. And this is equals to, the numerator will be the constant k times x2 squared. And for the denominator, it will be the constant k times x1 squared. Okay, so since the numerator and denominator have the same constant k, we can cancel it off. So this expression simplifies into y2 over y1 equals to x2 over x1 bracket square. So let's label this equation 1 first. Next, I'll write down the link between x2 and x1. So x2 is actually 200% of the value of x1. So we can write x2 equals to 2x1. And then I will bring x1 to the left to get this expression x2 over x1 equals to 2. And we'll call this equation 2. And the reason why we are doing this is because if you see here x2 over x1, this expression is the same as this x2 over x1 in equation 1. So now we are going to replace this x2 over x1 in equation 1 with the 2 here. So let's do that. So we're going to sub equation 2 to equation 1. So now y2 over y1 equals to 2 bracket square, and this 2 is the x2 over x1. So let's simplify this. So y2 over y1 now becomes 4, which means that y2 equals to 4y1. So what it means is that the new value of y is 4 times the original. Which means that the value of y has increased by 300%. So that's the answer for this question. So if you find this video helpful, do consider liking and sharing this video, and of course do subscribe to this channel as well. And also drop me a comment to let me know what content you'd like to see in this channel. See you in the next video.